We, the people of India, having solemnly resolved to constitute India into a sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic republic, and to secure to all its citizens justice, social, economic, and political, liberty of thought, expression, belief, faith, and worship, equality of status and of opportunity, and to promote among them all fraternity, assuring the dignity of the individual and the unity and the integrity of the nation. In our Constituent Assembly, this 26th day of November 1949, do hereby adopt, enact, and give to ourselves this Constitution. National Constitution Day. Our Constitution Day is celebrated every year on 26 November to honor the adaptation of the Constitution of India. It is also called National Law Day or Samvidhan Divas. As we all know, India got its independence on 50th August 1947 and on 26 January 1950 the Constitution of India came into effect. It is celebrated as the Republic Day. The Constitutional Assembly was formed which consisted of elected representatives from various fields. A few of the important members were Dr. B.R. Ambedkar as he was the chairman of the drafting committee, Jawaharlal Nehru as he was the first Prime Minister of India, B.N. Rao as the constitutional advisor and Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, Home Minister of India. The Constitutional Assembly met for 166 days before the Constitution was adopted. During the adaptation, two hands, written copies each in Hindi and English, were signed by the Constitutional Assembly members on January 24, 1950. By January 26, 1950, the Constitution of India came into effect, and from that day it became the law of land. Constitution Day aims to celebrate the significance of the Indian Constitution. It is the day that also celebrates the life of Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. The Constitution of India lays down the framework for the political code, structure, procedure, powers, and the duties of government bodies and provides the fundamental rights, core principles, and the duties of the citizen towards the country. One of the important features of our constitution is that the Constitution of India is the longest written constitution of any country. Our constitution was influenced by other countries. The Constitutional Day is celebrated in schools and colleges to spread awareness about the importance of the Constitution in our daily lives. This brings me to the end of my video, and to conclude I want to say that Constitutional Day is celebrated to signify the importance the Constitution has on country's growth. Last but not least, I pledge to become an Indian who follows our Constitution and make my country proud. Thank you.